In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, customize, and manage your saved views in HubSpot. Saved views let you quickly return to the exact layout and data you need without rebuilding it every time. You can use this across contacts, sales, or deals. And today, I'll demonstrate with contacts so you can follow along easily and apply the same approach wherever you work in the CRM. Start by heading to your HubSpot home, then open the CRM and go into Contacts. We're using contacts simply as an example because most teams start there, but everything I'll show works the same way for other objects. Once your contacts list loads, look toward the top of the screen where your current view name appears. Nearby, you'll see a small plus icon designed for adding a new view. That's the quick entry point to set up something tailored to your workflow. Click the plus icon, then choose Create New View. This opens a setup flow where you can decide how you want the data displayed. For this walkthrough, select Table. The table layout is great for scanning lots of records at a glance, and it's perfect when you need consistent columns for reporting or outreach. Next, give your new table a clear name. A good tip is to include the audience or purpose like New MQLs this week or Open Deals by Owner, so anyone on your team understands what it's for at a glance. Now let's customize what you see. Click Edit Columns. Here, you can add the properties that matter most to you and remove anything that clutters the view. Think about the decisions you make from this list. Do you need lifecycle stage, last activity date, phone number, or deal amount? Add those in. You can reorder columns so the most important information sits on the left, where your eyes land first. Keep it focused. Too many columns can slow you down and make scanning harder. When your column choices look right, click Apply. Take a quick moment to scan the list and confirm you're seeing what you expect. If something looks off, you can hop back into Edit Columns and fine-tune. Once you're happy, click Save. Saving locks in your layout and adds the view to your dropdown so you can return to it anytime with one click. If you don't see the option to create or save a view, make sure you're in the right object and that you have the necessary permission level. That's it. You've created, customized, and saved a reusable view that keeps your CRM tidy and your work faster. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.